Hey boys and girls, you are back into inferencing here this Monday. It is the same continuation from last week. So you were doing the same thing that you were doing last week, this week for Monday and Tuesday's work. So again, you're going to want to go into your case files here, and that here is going to show you your little clues here. And then you will, this one has 5, so just make sure you keep scrolling down to see this last clue here. And then you are going to want to, read those like you normally have been, and you're going to want to come here and go ahead and fill in your clue 1, clue 2, your answer to clue 3, 4, 5, and then answer that last question right there. And then you're going to want to submit this page onto Schoology. Okay, so it's pretty simple, just like we were doing last week. Same directions, same instructions this week. You're going to have your Mystery 7 and Mystery 8. So you want to make sure you do both of those. So you're going to have to upload 2 different assignment pages. The ones for Mystery number 7 here and the one for Mystery number 8 here.